Hey guys, I'm Sheryl Loch with Ginger Roots Media. And in this video, I want to take you over to Facebook and I'm going to show you how easy it is to add yourself as a team member to a business page on Facebook or a fan page. But what this is going to do is this is going to allow people that follow your page to see who owns the page or might be writing the post on the page. You can do this on desktop or mobile, and it's completely up to you whether or not you allow everyone on your team to put their picture on there. This is if you run a page for someone and you're kind of behind the scenes and it's not really about you, then you may not want to add yourself as a team member. That's up to the owner. Otherwise, sometimes it does a lot of good that people see real humans connected to that page. So let's head over to Facebook. I'm going to show you how you can get this done. Okay, here we are on one of my business pages on Facebook, and I'm going to show you where the team members are listed so you know what it's going to kind of look like. If you scroll down on the right-hand side, you're going to see team members. These are going to be linked to the profile of the team members. Where else can it be shown? Right here, when you're on your profile, you're going to see manages and it will list the page you manage. So this is up to you if you want to add everyone or not. But let's see how we can get this done. Okay, here is a business page I manage. If I want to add myself as a team member to be shown, I'm going to go over here and on the left-hand side, I'm going to go to About. Now this is for desktop. Mobile is just a little bit different. But when I come to the About page, I'm going to go over here and it says Team Members. Add yourself as a team member. And all you got to do, click OK. And now I will be showing as a team member on the page. Let's go back up here to home. And there it is. I'm a team member. Now when we go to my profile, let's refresh this. And now it's added the Bone Shakers Card Club. Now this is, like I said, on desktop. Let's see about doing it on mobile. Okay, if you're on mobile, it's just a little bit different. You're going to need to be logged in. You're going to go to that Facebook page. You're going to click the About button, but this time you're going to scroll down part way and hit Edit Page Info. Once you do that, you'll scroll almost to the bottom and you'll see Add Team Members, and that's where you can add yourself as a team member. I have not found a way to add other team members, so everyone's going to have to do this for themselves. And like I said, it's totally up to you if you want to let everyone add themselves or not. So there you have it. Be sure to subscribe for more tips and tools. Thanks for watching.